Install printing software. Open the browser. Enter the official website by inputting www.procolored.com. Click Support, Resources and Downloads. Pull down to find P13 MacOS. Find P13 Mac version. Software download. Download drivers and software. Open the downloaded file. Unzip the RIP software package. Open the folder. Put the printing software on the desktop. Open the software. Set the language to English in the upper right corner. Click the bottom left corner to open settings. Delete all printers in the list. Add a printer. Select device P13. Set the canvas width to 330. Set the channel to 6. After the settings are completed, click Save. Close the settings page. Select the P13 printer as the device. The printing software setup is complete.